I had lots of failures, but also had lots of winners. Made pretty good money, lost pretty good money. It all works hand in hand, doesn't it? You know, as we go along in life, there are mountains that we all cross, and we all have to cross them. And then there's always the valleys. There's always the valleys, and we have to go through them too. The more valleys you go through, you enjoy the mountains much, much better. It was really a constant goal setting, which even at my age now, I still continue to set goals. And I'm sure all of you do still set goals, don't you? You need to, because it's so easy for all of us to get into our comfort zone. I still want to, have to work my way out of it. And the same as you, I'm sure you can get into a comfort zone real easy and just be content doing almost nothing. And that's not what your life is all about. It's continually reaching out.